Let's set up your courses. In your Institute admin dashboard, click Courses. Courses are a particular class such as 8th A, 9th B, whereas classrooms are subdivisions of courses and are meant to segregate the various subjects within a course. To create a new course, click on Create New Course button. Enter course name and then segregate the different subjects into classrooms such as English, Hindi, Science. You can add up to 5 classrooms at a time. Click Create Course to finish. Your new course is added to the list. Click Edit to add, remove, or edit classrooms inside a course. To add a new classroom, click Create New Classroom button. To change the title of a classroom, click Edit. To remove a classroom, click Delete. To edit the course name, click on the pen icon next to the course name. Click Courses to go back. To remove a course, click on Remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. After clicking Remove, the course will be deleted from the institute. A coaching institute can segregate different batches like this. Similarly, a college can set up their classrooms this way. Happy learning, Team Edneed.